Hi everyone, thanks for watching. I'm Alex, this is AMRC, and I have my UMX Radian out again. You can see it's night. We have a pretty bright moon. It's a bit cloudy and a bit windier than I would have liked, but no matter. Let's get this thing in the air. Okay, let's go. Oh, that's nice. The wind has died down a bit. Yeah, this can take quite a bit of wind, but I always prefer less wind if possible. Power off. Just glides so nice. But having flown the UMX Consendo so much recently, I can really tell, despite both being power gliders, they're so different in character. If I'd have to describe them, the Radian is more like a leaf getting blown by the wind. Consendo's more like a dart. It's more precise movements. They both glide forever. I guess they're just suited for different types of flight. Of course, the Radian is a lot more mellow. Let's try a loop. Actually got two of them. Can get pretty sporty. Now we've been lucky to have really nice temperatures. I mean, almost April-like weather. But it's been windy, especially during the day. Still windy now, but not as bad. So I seized the opportunity, and what better to fly at night? It is chilly now because of the wind. Sorry if the video shaking, that's me shaking. A lot on the power. Try and do some low passes. Those lights look so nice. And yes, the Consendo is due for the same treatment sooner or later. Just needs some spare time. And of course I'll try to document it all on video. Hopefully it will be a successful operation. should have got a warmer jacket. Maybe some gloves. Have the gloves in the trunk, but I didn't think it was going to be this cold. 7 degrees Celsius. So at least that's what the car's showing. And the wind chill. That's what gets you. Oh. Battery is getting angry. Still have 1 minute on the timer. Let's go to the moon. Oh. Doesn't like that. Yeah, there it is. Yep. Angry battery noises. These batteries are old. I'm getting cold. Let's try and set it down. Ooh. Climb little Radian. Come back to me. See if I can catch it. Ah, I did. Ooh. Yeah, and I moved the wings, so lights turned off, but in flight it does well. Whew. There it is, guys. UMX Night Radian and the moon. Really enjoyed this flight despite the cold. Thank you very much for watching. You know the drill. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.